This is Miss Mariana here from McKiernan Park and Monroe Park on the south side of Chicago. As you guys all know, it is that time of year for our springtime bunny friend to come over for a visit. Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can whip up a sweet carrot themed treat to share. Let's get started. For this treat, you will need strawberries, some orange meltable chocolate, a decorating bottle, a clear cup, chocolate swirl pudding, and some chocolate sandwich cookies. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to pick out a strawberry that has very nice stems. This is to give the illusion of a carrot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip our strawberry into our meltable orange chocolate. We're gonna go ahead and do that all around, making sure not to get the stems with chocolate. Once that is done, we should have a strawberry that looks like this. You're gonna want to spread out that little stem. Next, we're going to take our chocolate and pour it inside our decorator bottle. Once we have our chocolate inside our decorator's bottle, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drizzle out some chocolate, giving it some texture. So as you guys can see, now the strawberry has a little bit of texture. You guys can see that. You guys can give it some more texture. Something that you're also going to want to do is crumble up your cookies like so. So now we're gonna take our plastic clear cup and we're gonna go ahead and take some of that cookie crunch and place it inside the bottom of the cup. Next, we're going to take our chocolate pudding and put some pudding in here. Once we have our pudding in our cup, you should see that the swirls give it a little bit of texture, so it looks kind of muddy. We're gonna take some more chocolate cookies and put them on top until we cover the whole top of the cup. All right, so now the last thing to do is take our strawberry or carrot and put it in. So now we have the illusion of a little carrot coming out of the dirt. If you enjoyed this activity and are looking for more videos like this one, stay connected to the Chicago Park District's YouTube channel and watch some of my colleagues' videos here or at www.chicagoparkdistrict.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.